Did you know that Ohio residents can get a library card at any of Ohio's 251 public library systems? That's because Ohio libraries receive a significant portion of their funding from the state level, and Ohio is known for having some of the best and most utilized libraries in the country. What can you do at your library?
With your Akron library card, you can check out a variety of items such as a star projector, a lava lamp, a fondue pot, and an ice cream maker, as well as over 100 cake pans.
Here at the Athens County Public Libraries, you can use your library card to check out a bike for a few hours, ranging from a strider to a mountain bike to even an e-bike. You can also check out our Library of Things, which is a growing collection ranging from experience passes to our local children's museum to the local rock climbing gym. And since it's spooky season soon, why not check out one of our hobby kits like our ghost hunting kit? What can you do at your library?
Here at the Barberton Public Library, your library card gives you access to a collection of digital resources for your educational and entertainment needs, all for free. Right now, I'm using Mango Languages to learn Spanish. Mango Languages makes it easy to learn conversational skills with everyday dialogue from native speakers and engaging interactive lessons. ¿Qué puedes hacer en tu biblioteca?
Here at Coshocton County District Library, your library card opens a world of possibilities. For knowledge building, check out books, attend programs, and research using the Ohio Web Library. For entertainment, check out movies and music, and don't forget about checking out streaming services on Hoopla. For outdoor fun, check out yard games such as cornhole and pickleball. For free internet, check out mobile hotspots or use a library computer. And if you're looking for educational children's collections, check out our sensory toys, tonies collection, and wonder books. What can you do at your library?
At the Chillicothe and Ross County Public Library, you can borrow so much more than books, like a paddleboard or a fishing rod. You can even borrow a megaphone, because why not? If it's traditional library things that you want, we've absolutely got you covered. But there is way more to explore. What can you do at your library?
This is what you can do with your library card.
Hey, I can use these sopranos for my driving test.
You can get those with your library card.
Wow, can I digitize all my old photos and movies?
You can do that with your library card.
Cool. I can see outer space from here.
You can borrow that with your library card. You can't do that with the library card.
Almost dropped it. But here at Henderson Memorial Library, we offer more than just books. We have free services for our community, including 3 notaries on staff. These free notary services have already saved patrons hundreds of dollars. That's an investment in our community.
Having notaries on staff helps the community with car titles.
Dissolutions, helping families finalize important paperwork without costly fees.
And even annuity distributions, making sure your financial documents are handled the right way.
Hi, with the Kent-Free Library Card, you can check out the basics like books, movies, and audiobooks, but did you know that you can also check out things like board games for adults and children? And what about a zoo pass and so many other museums to visit in town? You can enjoy stories and songs with the Tony Box. And if you enjoy working out, we have fitness equipment for you too. We also have Wi-Fi on the go and so many other things for you to enjoy. What can you do with your library card?
Not a penny do I cost, but you'll miss me if I'm lost. I unlock a world of adventure, and without me, you cannot borrow rows of treasures. What am I?
A library card!
At Kinsman Free Public Library, you can borrow puzzles, board games, and more from our Library of Things collection. Plus, access thousands of titles from our digital collection, available 24/7. Stop at your local library to start unlocking all the power of this precious tool.
You shall not pass up this opportunity.
Did you know with your Huron County Community Library card, not only can you check out books, DVDs, audiobooks, and everything else you'd expect from the library, you can also check out Wonder Books and Tony boxes and e-bikes too.
At the Lorain Public Library System, we have a library of things just waiting to be explored, with recreational items like yard games, fishing poles, and more, as well as educational backpacks, health and wellness equipment, and Lego kits. See what you can catch at the library.
Wow, a McKinley Memorial Library card. Do you know what you can do with one of these? You can borrow books, audiobooks, video games, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, and music CDs. You can use our desktop computers. You can download ebooks, stream music, movies, and more on apps like Libby and Hoopla. You could even borrow a Wi-Fi hotspot, a pass kit for the Oh Wow Museum, a set of traffic cones, or a sensory kit for kids or adults, plus much more in our library of things. What can you do with a McKinley Memorial Library card? The better question is, what can't you do? So, what can you do at your library?
Here at the Hudson Library, we have the Creativity Lab, museum passes, and memory care kits.
With your library card, here in the children's department, you can check out tonies, sensory and STEM kits, puzzles, puppets, and so much more.
You can also rent board games, Rokus, ukuleles, and more. Hope to see you soon.
Here at the Mansfield-Richland County Public Library, your library card can take you to more than just libraries. You're saying I can go places like this with just my library card? Yep, if you check out an adventure pass like this, you can see all sorts of community attractions. Where else can I go? You can see plays or musicals at the Renaissance Theater or the Mansfield Playhouse. You can see local museums, gardens, and you can even see the Ohio Bird Sanctuary. What about the carousel? Not only can you explore books, movies, tools, and more, but you can explore Richland County too.
Here in Ohio, we all know about the Browns' Factory of Sadness, but at the North Canton Public Library, we're running something a little different, a Factory of Happiness. Because with your library card, you can score free family passes to the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Yep, 4 tickets, totally free. No losing seasons, no heartbreak, just legendary players, unforgettable moments, and the best deal in town. All thanks to your library card.
Here at the Peninsula Library, you can use your library card to check out a variety of books, movies, CDs, and more. Get cozy this fall by trying out a new comfort food recipe from one of our many cookbooks, or peruse our puzzle collection for all ages for the perfect chilly weather activity. Whether you have little ones who need big pieces for tiny hands, or you're a puzzle pro looking for your next 1,000 piece challenge, what can you do with your library card?
Here at the Pickaway County Library, your library card can help you soar. Ohio is the birthplace of aviation, and you can take to the skies when you check out our colorful kite. Not sure how to fly a kite? Don't worry. It comes with complete instructions that'll have you flying, dipping, and swooping in no time. Adventure awaits in your local park or even in your own backyard. What can your library card do for you?
Having a library card truly does give you endless possibilities. Here at the Public Library at Steubenville in Jefferson County, you can use your library card to borrow a thing, our library of things. You can use it to pick up a museum pass, a hotspot, or even a ghost hunting kit. Also, right behind me, we have the makerspace, so you can use your library card to engrave something. You can use the Cricut, and you can also use our 3D printer, among other things that we have here. Having a library card is one of the best things that you can have.
Here at Reed Memorial Library, you can borrow fitness equipment. I can play
pickleball. I can lift weights. I can lift this kettlebell right here. I can play frisbee, tennis, so much more. Use your card to keep your mind and body in shape. What can you do at your library?
Here at Rocky River Public Library, you and your child can borrow many of our STEAM kits with your library card. Some of those things are like exploring science with the Oars or Star projector, trying out technology with our Sphero Vault, some marvelous engineering with our Marble Run, maybe trying out some of your musical talent with a ukulele, or testing your math skills with our calculator cash register. What can you do with your library card?
This is State Library of Ohio. Here at the State Library, you can check out award-winning titles. You can look at our posters from our amazing government documents collection, and you can even check out an ebook on your phone.
With a library card, you can check out lots of things, like musical instruments.
Here at Tiffin Seneca Public Library, bring your digital creations to life with the launch of our brand new 3D printing service available exclusively to our library cardholders. This exciting service allows patrons to explore the world of 3D printing by submitting custom digital designs to be printed by library staff using state-of-the-art technology. Whether you're a curious beginner or an experienced maker, the library offers tools and support to help you get started. To submit a 3D printing request, please fill out our 3D print request form, which can be found in person here at the library or on our website at www.tiffinsenecalibrary.org. Then email your design and completed request form to us and we'll take care of the rest. Full details can be found on our website or stop in to the library. What can you do with your library card?
Here at the Twinsburg Public Library, your library card can let you check out things from the Library of Things for fall fun, like an apple peeler and some pie irons for around the campfire, cornhole for an unbelievable gathering, plus a ghost hunting kit for a spooky evening. What can your library card do?
Use your Upper Arlington Public Library card to borrow cool things like light therapy lamps, video games, vinyl records, discovery kits for kids, memory care kits, multiple copies of books for book clubs, and even driver maneuverability practice kits.
Here at Cuyahoga Falls Library, you can borrow the newest books, movies, and more with your library card, including day use items. Forget your laptop charger? Borrow one of ours. Forget the whole laptop? We've got Chromebooks too. Plus, don't forget your phone charger. What can you do at your library?